Today, we are going to discuss KSEEB SSLC model question paper, mathematics model paper. First one question is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 to the power of 5 into 5. What's HCF? So 5 to the power of 2. So 5 should be written 2 times and into 2. Second one is 2 to the power of 5 is there. 2 you should write 5 times and into 5. Last 5 is there 5. Select the number repeated. So here 2 is repeated one time and the 2 is repeated one time. So we select these two numbers and 5 this last number 5. So answer is for this question is 2 into 5. So the sum of second question is sum of the natural number is option C n of n plus 1 divided by 2. So next question is third question. The pair of linear equation that is a1 by a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. Which are the following state situation cannot arise? So here three situations can arise. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this is intersect. This is intersect. Second one, intersect one equation will be arise. One equation. So second one, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So if all three are equal, then it is called as coincidence. 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 Many solutions. And the third one case is if first one is equal, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equals to c1 by c2. This is called as parallel. Parallel line. No solution. Parallel, no solution. And option D is the right answer for this question because A1 is equal to A2, B1 is equal to B2, and C1 is equal to C2 is the not arises in this question. Next one is number of zero in a polynomial y is equal to p of x in the given graph. So many zeros. So the line which is crossing the x-axis, this is a 1 point. This is another point. This is another point. Total 3 points are there. So 3 is the right answer. So next, fifth one is x of x plus 2 is equals to 6 is a 6 is a x of x plus 2 is equal to 6 is a quadratic polynomial. See, quadratic polynomial means just multiply this number x into x square plus 2x is equals to 6. So if it is equals to 6, so take this number inside. So x square plus 2x minus 6. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Suppose if it is equal to 0 is there, that is called quadratic equation. So the correct answer is quadratic polynomial. So there is no 0. That's why quadratic polynomial. So this sixth one is arrange this figure, rewrite this figure. That is like this. So like this, rewrite this one, and you take the corresponding sides. This is angle, this is our angle, and this is A, and this is C, and this is B. Now compare the sides. So PQ is PQ side is equal to the AC side. So and PQ side, this PQ side is equal to the AB side. So option A is the right answer. PQ side is equal to the AB side. That's why option A is the right answer. Next, seventh one is sine of sine square A minus cos square A is equals to. See, we know the identity. Sine square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So you keep the sin square here only. We send the cos square into right side. So it becomes sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. So in the place of sin square, you write this one. So what will become equation? Sin square a minus cos square a. Sin square a means 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a. So 1 minus minus into minus plus. So they know the more the minus are repeated. So minus cos a that is 2 cos square a. So option B is the right answer. 1 minus 2 cos square a. So next, the sum of the probability of all elementary events, that is 1. Elementary event, that is 8 1. Elementary event always 1. So always 1. Or it is also called elementary event, are also called as sure events. Sure, sure event or certain event. Certain event. Sure event or certain events, they are always equals to 1. So next is very easy problem. Find the value of b. Find the value of b. The pair of linear equation is 2x plus by is equals to 8. So here, one more equation they given. So you send this one 2. Between this 2 and this bracket, into symbol is there. 2 and this bracket, they say into symbol is there. So you send this 2 to right side, this side. It becomes divided by. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 by 2. 2 8s are 2 8s. So answer will be 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. So b is equals to 3. So answer for this question is b is equal to 3. Next, next is next question is 10th one. 10th one. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is very easy. What is the power of the x is highest, that is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the highest power is x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So next is next 11th one problem. 11th one. So very easy problem. 11th one is sin a is equals to root 3 by 2. Sin a is equal to root 3 by 2, and the cos a is equal to 1 by 2. So what is tan a? Tan theta. Tan a is equal to sin by cos. Sin by cos. So what will become now? So tan a is equal to sin means root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. So 2 2 get cancelled. Answer is root 3. Answer is root 3. For this question, answer is root 3. So next move on to the other question. What is the empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency of mean, median, and the mode? So our answer for this question is 3 median. 3 median is equals to 2 mean is equals to 2 mean plus 1 mode. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus 1 mode. Mode 1 mode. So next 13th one question is 13th one is express the equation, quadratic equation x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by x in the equation of standard form. Just we cross multiply this equation. Cross multiply. So what will become? X of x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2. So x into x, that is x square plus x is equal to 6. Take it inside. So x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. So next, so here, next question, that is what they have said in the figure triangle PQR. In the triangle PQR. Okay, 1420, one more question is there. 1420. So 1420 is, I will do here only. 1420. Find the distance between the point. So point they given, that is 6 comma 8. 6 comma 8. What is the number of x and y? So root of formula for origin, that is x square plus y square. So root of x square means 6 square plus 8 square. That is, it become x square means 36 plus 8 square means 64. So in total it becomes root 100. Perfect. 100 is 10. So the answer for 14th one is 10. 10 units. So next, 11th one question. 11th one. 11th one is 11th one is what they asked. In a figure, triangle POQ, similar with the triangle ROS, and PQ is parallel to SR. If PQ is to SR is equal to 1 is to 2, then find. So OS is to OQ. OS is to OQ. OS is to OQ. So they given the diagram. That is what they given. So here in a triangle, in a triangle, in a triangle, in a triangle, in a triangle. So what they given in a triangle POQ. POQ is similar to the triangle ROS, ROS, and PQ is parallel to the RS. PQ is parallel to RS, and PQ is in 1 ratio, and RS is in 2 ratio. So we have to identify SO and OQ. So the given figure, that given triangle, that is triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. So the ratios will become PQ divided by SR. PQ divided by SR is equals to OQ divided by OQ divided by OS. So PQ divided by RS and OQ divided by OS. So PQ divided by RS is, the ratio, that is 1 by 2 is equal to OQ by OS. So the need to answer for OS is to OQ. So then the ratio will become 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. This is the answer for the question. The 15th question answer. So next we move on to the another question, that is 16 from what they ask, the circumference. See, the circumference. 16 the circumference of a circle, the base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter. The height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of a cylinder. So we know the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder is equals to, what's that? 2 pi r h. So they are already given circumference of a cylinder, circle base of a cylinder is 44. See, just imagine this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. The base, they given the base. Base means circle. So circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. The 2 pi r value is 44. 2 pi r value is 44. In the place of 2 pi r, we can write 44. Between r and h, there is an into is there, into h means they are already given 10. H means 10. So 44 into 10, that is 440 centimeter square. This is the answer. Thank you.